Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. Few things are as annoying as encountering issues with your Android device, especially when you can't remember your screen password and suddenly lose access to your phone. Whether you're locked out because of a forgotten password, dealing with a Google FRP lock, or facing another Android-related problem, there's one powerful tool that can help you solve it all. In today's video, we'll be exploring what many users consider one of the most reliable Android unlocking tools available today, PassFab Android Unlock. So, what makes this software such a popular choice? First of all, it's a comprehensive all-in-one solution built to resolve a wide range of Android device issues. From common lock screen problems to more advanced system restrictions, this single tool is designed to handle them with ease. Getting started is very straightforward. Simply download and install the software on your computer using the link provided in the description below, then launch the program. Once opened, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. For this tutorial, we'll be demonstrating how to bypass Google FRP. If you've reset your device and can no longer remember the Google account previously linked to it, you may find yourself stuck on the Verify Your Google Account screen. This screen appears because of a security feature known as Factory Reset Protection, or FRP. FRP is designed to protect Android devices from unauthorized access after a factory reset. While it's a useful security measure, it can quickly become frustrating if you've forgotten your Google account details or purchased a second-hand phone that's still linked to the previous owner's account. That's where PassFab Android Unlock can make a huge difference. After installing and launching the software on your computer, you'll see two available options. Select Remove Google Lock, FRP. Then choose your device brand, Samsung in our example. Next, select your Samsung Android version. If you're not sure which version your device is running, simply choose the option that allows the software to detect it automatically. Once that's done, click Remove. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer using a USB cable, and as soon as the device is recognized, the software will begin the Google lock removal process automatically. Within a few moments, depending on your device, the FRP lock will be successfully removed. When the process is complete, restart your phone and proceed through the setup process just like you would on a brand new device. No advanced skills, complicated steps, or technical knowledge required. In just a few clicks, you can regain access to your phone. The same user-friendly workflow can also be used to remove screen locks or recover access to devices affected by system issues and OS crashes. The software features a clean, beginner-friendly interface that makes every step easy to understand and follow. So, if you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use solution for unlocking Android devices, PassFab Android Unlock is certainly worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.